swear you've been to everything there is. Can't imagine anything less. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we made, and I'm so glad I've stayed right here with you. Through the years, I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I've listened to before. I swear you've told me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, we've never had a doubt. We'd always worth in sound. I've learned what life about by loving you. Through the years, through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I'm staying